Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can sort all of your projects on CapCut. So for instance, you only want to see projects that you've edited. Press the three lines next to cloud here with the pencil and then select edit, and it will show you the videos that you've edited. And then for instance, you want to see just like the CapCut templates that you've used. Select the same thing again and then select the template instead, and it will show you the templates that you've used over the past year. I don't know, it will just show you like projects of template, and then you can also select where you've used your camera for making a project in CapCut mobile. So that's it. If you feel like you don't know where your projects are, that's where it is. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!